Hi, in front of me I have Imilab W11L smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. Basically, how quickly the screen will turn off after you stop using your watch. Before we start, if you want to change the screen timeout duration on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the GloryFit application on our phone. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and you should see the device page for your W11L smartwatch. Now on this page, find the option called Universal Settings and tap on it. And here we have the option called On-Screen Time. Tap on it, then tap on Bright Screen Length. And now we have three durations: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds. Select the one you like, and then tap on it to select it, like this. And once you're done, go back, close the app. And now my screen should turn off after 5 seconds of inactivity because I selected 5 seconds. So I'm gonna wake up the screen, and let's wait. As you can see, it turned off after 5 seconds. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.